Hello everyone, welcome to this week's new releases. This week we have 3 kits, a foil bundle, color of the week, 10 new doodles, an add-on for a kid that's already in shop, and then also a new grab bag to add to our grab bag lineups. Last week we did release 3 different new types of grab bags. There was the Doodle Misfit grab bag, which has since sold out, but we will restock when we have enough to do so. There was the 10-piece script foiled Misfit grab bag, and then also the matte foiled label sampler Misfit grab bag. So those other 2 are still available in shop, and then I have another one to add this week. Also want to mention that I believe if you're watching this video the day that goes live, there's still a few more hours to get the Luxe foil bundles for 50% off, and then I'm going to be switching to a new flash sale probably Tuesday. So if you want to get your hands on those, definitely do so, because I'm going to be changing it up Tuesday to something new and exciting. But I've been loving doing those, and y'all have been stocking up during them. So let's go ahead into this week's new releases. All of these will be available Wednesday at noon Eastern. First things first is we do have, I believe this is a 50-piece script grab bag, just like the other. I think we did a 50-piece foil grab bag. It's like, I think there's still some available, or was it 100? It was a larger one, and there's only one variety whenever we do these larger ones. So if you order, let's say 2 of these, like maybe like 1 or 2 sheets would be switched, but most of them will be the same. So I'm just gonna go ahead and flip through this. But like I said, it is a 50-piece grab bag, and there's a variety of different foils in our 5 foils. So actually, let's start from the beginning. So there's a Rose TV Time, Rose Order Groceries, Grocery Run and Sparkly Hollow, Starbucks Run and Sparkly Hollow, Budget and Rose, Silver Park, Silver Playtime, Silver YouTube, the Rose Massage, Hollow Tidy Up, Hollow with the Kids, No School in Rose, Date in Silver, Get Glam in Hollow, Fast Food in Rose, Email in Gold, Meal Prep in Silver, Call in Gold, Shop in Hollow, well, that's like the shop owner, the Silver New Releases, Game Day in Rose, Brainstorm in Rose with the Kid in Rose, Date Night in Hollow with BFF in Hollow, Girls Night in Hollow, Draw in Hollow with Fam in Hollow with Fam in Rose, Binge Watch in Rose, Fast Food in Hollow, Silver and Gold, Date Night in Silver, Gold, Brainstorm in Silver and Gold, Get Glam in Rose, Clean in Rose, Meeting in Gold, Workout in Gold, Buy More Stickers in Rose, Orders in Hollow, Target Run in Silver, New Releases in Gold, Run in Gold, Playground in Gold, Sparkly Hollow, Fast Food, Sparkly Hollow, Tidy Up, and Sparkly Hollow Workout. So there is only one variety. Like I said, there might be like a sheet switched out depending, but those will be available Wednesday at noon Eastern. And again, it is a 50-piece script grab bag. It'll be in the same listing as the 10-piece. There'll just be a different selection on the side. Then for foil, let's go through the foil bundle for this week. This is the extras from the January mystery, which I know a lot of people are waiting for this one, because this is in the new format, which is the sparkle format, and it's matte bronze and beautiful. It's our normal foil bundle format. So you have the 2 pages of the full boxes and glitter header overlays, the 2 bougie boxes, the script and icons, as well as the fancy headers, the deco, the date numbers, and then the bottom washi overlays. So the remainder of those will be available Wednesday at noon Eastern for y'all. Then the doodles for this week, we do have the 10 new doodles. So these are new to the shop. So this one is 451 through 460. So you have baby sharks, which you guys will see more of soon. Then there are 2 different book icons. So this one has like a book like open, and then a book stack. Grocery bags in just like one colorway of like a grocery bag. Grocery carts, super cute. Shopping bags. And then I have some different coffee ones. So there is like a regular coffee in a like glass mug. There's a coffee mug, a to-go mug, and then an iced coffee. Realized we didn't have a lot of coffee stickers or grocery stickers, so we needed to add those to the shop. And then the color of the week this week is this really pretty like tangerine orange color. So you have page 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and these are available through Monday at noon Eastern, and then they are removed from the shop. Then like I said, I do have one add-on that I'm going to be adding on to the Frozen kit, and I will just put this under the extras. And this is birthday boxes. If you want to go ahead and purchase these to use the Frozen kit for our birthday, I am using the Frozen kit for Reagan, Kirsten's daughter's birthday. So I had some pieces made, the balloons, the cake, and the presents for like extra boxes. So I figured that if any of y'all want to use it for a birthday, you can pick up these as an add-on. Then there is art that just came out this week that is so cute that I knew I had to use, and this is called Breakfast Dream, and I'm so excited because this kit is so beautiful. All of the kits this week come in mini and ultimate, and I am obsessed with this. I will 112% be using it. When I'm using it, I'm not like really sure, but I think that this is so anytime. I feel like the colors are anytime, and you could do really fun foils with this, or you could stick to like gold, silver, mixed metal, hollow, sparkly hollow, or you could go into like a really fun pink, a purple, a green. Ugh, there's just so many options. Like a gold hollow would be nice with this as well. I don't really know what I'm going to do because I think like a sparkly pink would be so fun with this, but also like a purple. I don't know. I'm not sure, but here are the full boxes. So pretty. And then you have this page here in the ultimate, which has the extra 2 boxes, which I just love. The record player because it reminds me of Nick. And then you have the deco. And in this kit, I decided to kind of give you guys a sneak to the new glitter texture that I'm going to be using in kits, and I am obsessed in person. It just looks more like crushed glitter and kind of sparkly, and I feel like the contrast isn't as high. Let me see, I don't know where I have a glitter header near me. I'll show you whenever we get to the other kits, but I wanted to test it out so you guys can see what it looks like, and I think it's so pretty. It looks really nice on really light colors and really dark colors. I feel like my last glitter I loved. Obviously, I used it for like years and years, but I feel like on the lighter colors, there was a lot of like dark areas, and I think that this one just really shines. It looks like way sparklier, and I don't know, I just really love it. I'm like very obsessed. It's one of my favorite things about the new format, actually. Then you have the pattern page, the label page, the half boxes page, and then the bottom washi, which I love. Extra box, which also I love. I love a good food box. The freebie and the ultimate and the mini is this tall fashion girl, which is so cute. And then let me show you the 15mm strip. I think that's gonna be so pretty with this. These are add-ons, and then you have the label sampler if you want to add it on. There is also a label sampler version too, because I really did like the yellow in the like olivey color, like an olivey chartreuse almost, I think, possibly. And then there is also the option if you want to add on the extra fashion that have the different hair and skin tone options as well. So that is Breakfast Dream, and I just think it is so pretty, and it's one of those ones you have to use. It's just like any food kit, I'm like all about. We need more food kits in our lives. Let's go into the next 2 kits. The next 2 kits are birthday themed. One's a reformat, one is new exclusive art. I have a lot of exclusive art coming, and I'm very excited about it. I have a lot that I've been kind of hoarding and like just super pumped about, and this is one of them. I don't know which I'm actually most excited for because there's a lot of really good ones coming, and like the themes, like 2 of them especially, like I don't know if I've seen kits done for the themes before. I don't think I have, so I'm really excited about them. But yeah, so let's get into this one. This one is for Theo's birthday. I always do custom exclusive art for my kids' birthdays, and Theo's second is no exception. And I wanted to do a baby shark kit because he loves baby shark, like obsessed with baby doo. And I thought that would make a really cute kit with all of the fun colors. And I think it turned out so cute. I'm obsessed. And you have your scene here. You have a piñata, some cake, which looks delicious, the presents in a cake, some presents that are like opened, and then like a fruit punch bowl and a little shark there. And I just think it's so cute, really well done. And I am obsessed with these colors, especially how they printed. I feel like I haven't seen like a really like a bright yellow, a bright pink in a while, because like these just printed so beautifully. You have some kids there and a little plushie and presents and cookies and cake pops in that box. And I just am obsessed with these colors. It's just like a really fun palette. Again, I think you could use a lot of different foils with this. I probably will do sparkly hollow maybe, or maybe like a pink would be really fun. I don't know. There's a lot of options here. And let me show you the glitter header difference. So it's just like, I think there's like a lot less dark in these ones, but I think it makes it kind of match the colors better. Like where that yellow, I feel like the blue, like, you know what I'm saying? I'm excited. Y'all will see. It's a good one. So here is the, oh, and then there's like a faux glitter here. I want to mention that before I forget. So there's faux like fun colored. Wait, would rainbow be good with this? Rainbow might be an option here. You have your half boxes, solid, and pattern labels. I love these patterns. They're so pretty. Jess did them for me. Bottom washi, and then the balloons in the extra box there, which is super cute. The freebie and the ultimate and mini both come with some doodles, and I kind of themed them to the kit. So you have the baby sharks and the colors, and then you have, you know, some different things here. I don't think the music notes have been released yet, so that's kind of a sneak. So those will come into the shop in like the regular colorway, and I also think I'm going to be doing a like neutral colorway for that one too. Maybe if I remember, I'll bring those out next week. So that's the kit. I'm obsessed. It might be one of my favorite birthday kits, like customs that I've done, because the colors are just so fun. The theme is fun too. And I feel like, I don't know, like I want to use Sparkly Hollow. I feel like I could, what am I doing today? I feel like I could go like for a fun foil. I just don't know. Like I feel like it's one of those kits that you need to do a fun foil with. So ultimate mini, there is the 15mm strip if you want to add it on, that has the Baby Shark lyrics y'all liked whenever I did the Friends one with the Friends lyrics. Oh, come on, focus. So cute with a bow on that. That's going to be adorable. You have the label sampler if you want to add it on. There is a color 2 and 3. I couldn't pick a color. Here. And there's just so many pretty colors in this one. So I was like, let's do it up. Let's go rainbow. And then we also have fam options. So the normal 6 different fam options. And I think they're so cute. Love them all. Super pretty. And I think there's just like so many boxes whenever you actually look at this kit. So very, very excited about it. Super pumped to use this in April. April's like a big birthday month for me. I have this. I will be using the Frozen kit, like I said, for Reagan's birthday with these add-ons. And then my birthday, I'm going to be using the Labyrinth kit. So I'm very excited about April. And then let's move on to the reformat. And I figured since I was releasing that kit this week, I'd also do this one because this one has been requested to be reformatted, and I did redo the boxes and everything. So I'm really, really pumped. I've been just like so excited to be like designing and doing things. And I'm just like, I'm so happy with everything. So let's go through this. This is Sprinkles, which I think it was art for Reagan's first birthday. I think so. And I went ahead and redid the boxes. So you have the scene here. You have like a little flat lay scene. And then you have regular boxes over here. So you have the cake, the little dress on like a hook, a little pile of donuts, and then a balloon. And again, this one doesn't have any fashion people in here as well. I feel like this could work for obviously like a younger child, but I feel like it also could work for like a teenager, like omit the dress, but also like maybe not. It's really cute. So I think it'd be really cute, or even for yourself. I mean, come on, donuts. It's a vibe. Sprinkles, it's a vibe. So love that. Your extra boxes here, you have your presents, and then a donut grow up, which is adorable. The colors are gorgeous in this. Again, another one I feel like you could do a lot of different foils. I would probably do silver or sparkly hollow, but I feel like you could really go fun with this as well with the foil choices. Oh, it's so pretty. Yeah, silver would be really nice too because I feel like it would pop. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous pattern. And then bottom washi, extra box here, which is just begging for a quote. And then the freebie in this one is some doodles. And again, I switched out a couple of them for more birthday themed ones. Obviously I had to keep the donut in there, but you got the doodles in both the ultimate and the mini. I think I might actually use this kit. I was planning on using a Valentine's Day kit for my friend Bree's daughter's birthday. It's actually today, Monday, when you're watching this. I was going to use a Valentine's Day kit, but I think I might move that Valentine's Day kit to like the end. So like use it the first week of March. Like I think it's like kind of split season a little bit, and then use this for her birthday because I think it's super cute and I want to use it again. I've been super into reusing kits, especially ones that I haven't used for like 2 years besides Winter Mermaid, which I used last year. I'm going to use this year. It's gorgeous. It needed to happen. But I've been super into it. I don't know. I just feel like they like, especially when I redo the boxes, it gives them like a whole brand new life. And I'm like, I need to use this. I spend so much time on it. It's beautiful. So you have the 15mm strip if you want to add it on with a gorgeous gradient. You have the label sampler if you want to add it on. And then there's also the option if you want to add on the shirt. So you have 1, 2 Sweet, Don't You Know I'm 3, and Forever Sweet. So 1 through 4 there. And then there is also fam options as well. So you have fam 1, fam 2, fam 3, fam 4, fam 5, and also fam 6. So that is everything for this week's new releases. Again, we have the Sprinkles reformat. We have the Shark Party Baby Shark new exclusive art. Both of those are exclusive art. And then also we have Breakfast Dream, which I feel like is a kit that everyone needs because we all love food, especially breakfast. Come on. Then we have the leftovers of the matte bronze in the sparkle format. I don't have any matte label samplers. They are on order and I will stock those whenever they come. The 50-piece script grab bag, which would be an amazing deal. The add-on for the Frozen kit, which I will put in the a la carte extras listing. And then the 10 new doodles, the doodle color of the week, and then there'll be like a new flash sale for y'all. So that's everything. I hope that y'all like this week's new releases, and I will talk to you in my next one.